Obetu Frank ama NPP Dr. Afriyie Akoto. Dene woni Adom TV Kasee di nkoma wo chire mu se ko base wa nyampa de obenya bia no ombeta nechi.
Dr. Afriyie Akoto ensem nhia mu ene wadi tudwa se obubo some de toso 9 presidential primaries a wo kwa akoto no enye se wonom ekoye dia a ebegu amanyuko nanim ase animum wonom ekwa akoyi panyini a obedi NPP amanyuko nanim se de beya afimpinu ene edunu 9 obetumi agina amaganafo nyina ato ne so aba ne senti ehu behia se nipa ba kwa obeyi no no wonom a waka nyina ebetai na chi se de beya break the 8 eda amanyuko nanim so no.
The 4th November election is not a make or break issue for the party. It is to elect one of us to bear the flag of our noble party going forward to the presidential elections scheduled for the 7th of December 2024. It offers an opportunity for all of us to unite behind one person, to lead us to break the 8 and not to break the party. In this respect, let me state here categorically that I am prepared to work equally hard for whosoever the delegates choose to lead this party on the 4th of November 2023. We must break the 8 to retain the NPP in power.
Edesi ahinifuo nyina ase ewa akwanya ono mama no asesei waka enipa nan a wogina amowato won so aba no ehu na wagidi yie pa ase onom ebeya adwumaden se de ebeya obubobo so me de to so nan no obetimi edi abato ni mu enkunim
meda party fo ase se super delegates ipe du no ekohia ya no enum no meka ho bi ya de asomani pa kama koma delegates are on the 4th of November. No, Brunei friend track record. A Juma my year ediasum or my Ghana. Ne a Juma my year diasum NPP abano. Midi say ye the Francano. A beshamin sem ama medi the Konanim Edia call 7 December 2024.